You guys, this is Finn's engine.
Yup.
About to go in. Just a $10,000 build right here. Going in his White Speed 3. Here you go, Colton. Try to keep that going.
Sure.
Alright, Finn, let's get this. You ready to drop down?
Yeah, go slow.
Okay. Watch the back part, Finn. See if any wires are being caught.
The manifold's about to hit.
Okay, tell me when.
Alright, stop it.
Okay.
There we go.
Which,
I'm good on this side.
Okay.
what are we trying to fit it over right now?
It needs to go down a bunch to about here.
Straight down where it's at. It's
Yeah.
fine.
Okay. Let's hold on for a sec. Let me get.
I'm good back here.
Okay, where's that mount piece?
Right there. I don't know if that's the actual mount though.
This is the wrong one.
Yeah. I think it was. It's not this, is it?
No.
It's
like a
I
flat
think this
black
one was
piece.
the other side though.
Yeah, it definitely was. No, it's not the other side. That's for the transmission.
It's not that, right? That bigger piece?
It's like a plate.
Is it this plate?
It might be this, honestly.
One of these?
No, I think.
This one?
No, I got it.
Oh,
It is that?
Yeah. Okay.
Got the bolts for it.
So.
Where's the middle thing though? Finn, remember? There's like a middle thing.
Yeah.
Was it what Finn was holding? No, that was
I
the tranny.
holding that, unless it's. It's not. Wait, actually, I think
It's
this
like
is
a rubber piece. No, that's even
Guys, I feel like it could be a little more organized. Just
Yeah, well, like
maybe a little
you could maybe swap a couple engines on your own and then give us some advice.
Well, I'm gonna say that's true.
It's not.
No,
it's
the-
battery.
That piece right behind on the bracket.
You want to put in the left side one?
What's this?
Oh,
that
I think
could be
that's it. Yeah, that's definitely it. Yep, that's it. Dang. I think that goes
Goes underneath.
under, yeah.
Ah,
Genius.
Goes like
Oh,
that.
yo.
Okay, go find us the nuts. We don't need that yet.
We don't.
No, we need the nuts though.
I know, the center one was a pretty huge bolt.
Yeah, we got that. Right.
You do?
that looks fucking fun.
Oh, shit. What are the bolts?
Oh, no.
Yeah, this is why I should.
That one. Looking for nuts as is.
Oh,
Okay. Definitely have to do this side first.
you sure it wasn't this? The middle one's not this one?
Oh no, it is. It's, dude, I already found it. I told you like 10 times. It's right there.
Okay. Oh, there's two.
There is one.
Bruh. Well, this is how cars go, Rocco. Oh,
You don't have a 2x4, do you?
No, I don't think so. Just gonna go high enough to see the question.
Yeah, the amount of bolts we're about to be missing.
hey, if there's not extra bolts after you're done, you didn't do it right.
Exactly. Okay, where's the thing?
What thing?
The handle. I just had. You ready, Wyatt?
Yep.
Do I need to move the jack a little bit?
You might need to go up a little bit.
I'm gonna go down first.
Okay, there you go. You're good.
Okay. Okay, what we're trying to do is just get it clear to where that's kind of
Gotcha.
under. And I'll do that.
You got plenty of room, like, man. exhaust side.
Yep.
This is gonna have to go up while that goes down.
Okay, leave it there though, because I think we gotta go down a lot.
See, axle's there.
Nice. Yeah, go forward with this a little bit.
Yeah, I'm definitely gotta clean the tire part though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's shiny.
Yeah, clean like most of that shit.
There we go.
So nice.
Yep.
And the oil cap matches your hat. I mean, my hat. You mean Sam's hat? It's my hat until I get my Rona hat. He said that.
Really?
No. I told him to go get it though.
Yeah, that's not the right side.
I don't trust Lily with that hoe.
Need to keep going.
And none of the.
I think we gotta do no jack. We gotta get it all the way down first. And then get this side in.
You want to drop to the floor level and then use both.
We should use both. We just don't have another anchor point. We'd have to wrap it around some other stuff.
You just go around there. I need to give it a chain.
Yeah, let's do that.
Are you putting the battery in the trunk?
Oh, I'm not sure.
Beat.
I'd like to.
The beat. Late game.
I don't really
Clean engine bay.
have room.
Clean engine bay.
Yeah, I'm gonna set it down already.
I don't really have
Clean
room
engine
for that
bay.
because I've
Clean engine bay. Oh no! The amount of piles of
Look, there's another right there, but they're just lug nuts. So.
Yeah, let's go forward.
lugs are lugs. I think you should take Steven's other bumper.
I think I should.
Oh no!
Nice.
Like, not really that time. Like, same way when they're doing it all.
Smart.
Drop it.
Drop it more.
Good job, Auntie Sue.
Don't need one sliding away.
You're good.
Wait. Yeah, no, Finn. I'm like 90% sure those are stock struts.
No, they're not.
They're not
They're
really.
stock struts but not stock springs.
No, I don't think
Yeah,
they're
that's
stock
what I
struts.
think. I think stock strut, because they're definitely aftermarket springs.
No. Look. They look stock. You see that fucking yellow shit? It's this. There's like.
Yeah,
And the same thing in the back. It's like Coney or
This
something.
legit goes over that.
Yeah, maybe it is.
So,
I know the struts in the back are stock, right?
because if they were different struts, they'd be, I feel like, nicer.
Look in the back. It's Coney or whatever. I found it.
Yeah,
Turn it on.
looks a little stock. Huh?
I guess we can just start ratcheting.
What'd you say, Rocco?
When he turns it on.
Yeah, if we get to that, I think it'll probably be in Seattle.
Yeah, it's gonna be. Because I'm not gonna put the turbo on,
Yeah,
which is unfortunate, but.
sad.
I mean, I could. We can start it, and I could drive it like that.
No turbo. NA, Mazda speed. No downpipe or anything. No hood, just the manifold.
Last time you hooked it to that spot.
No
where you
manifold,
hooked
just
it
the
right
header.
here.
Just
the runners.
It's just
Just the
strain
runners.
onto your.
Around the manifold is a strong point. And
No
then under this
cylinders.
thing is a strong point.
No cylinders. Tesla powered.
Does this have another hook on it?
I don't know,
My dad
maybe
wanted
not.
to do that.
Nope.
Oh, you're probably looking for this part, huh?
No. The hook's like snapped off of it. That one, there you go. We can use that one.
I'm learning,
This
man.
one?
Yeah.
Bro, I have. Wait, is this the 6300? I think I have like the 500 or
6,000, I think is what you have.
yeah. I don't know where it's at, to be honest.
Lost it.
It's kind of sad. And I have my big Camry.
You can probably stop it for now till I make